Just did the afternoon swim for Ivan Dive Master training. I took the opportunity to also swim. Nice to be in the water, a little bit jellyfish today. So I got a little bit stinged by them, like you can see a little bit here. But nothing like extraordinary. It's usual stuff. It's a tropical water, so that's why there is a lot of things living in it. Been thinking about what to show you today, and then I remember that last week I promised that I will do more videos about, at least once a week I will do the videos about this macro life and underwater animals and fishes. So that's why I'm going home now. So see you a little bit later. So 1 week ago I was talking about nudibranchs, and today I decided that I will talk about Harlequin shrimp. Since we have a lot of footage of this beautiful fella, today I'm going to talk about Hymenocera elegans, which is, in a normal language, it's called Harlequin shrimp. That's one of the most colorful shrimps we know. Let's say when we lived in the Philippines, we didn't see that shrimp that much. Here we are a little bit more spoiled, and while living here in this particular area, Amed and Tulamben, we have a couple of spots where we can see them. So that's why let's talk about it. Let's start about the size. As you can see in this particular video, the bigger one actually is a female and the smaller one is actually male. So the female is always slightly bigger than a male, and the maximum size of the Harlequin shrimp is about 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters. Where this shrimp or a Harlequin shrimp is living, it's living under the big rocks, or for example on our house reef it lived on it was like an anchor for the buoy, so that was like a rubber tire, which was inside the concrete block. So they used this place as a house, and there was also the rope, so that was like a kind of comfortable for them. Then during the big waves, when we tried to check them out again, so they just disappear. Maybe they just moved a little bit deeper, because they can live in a depth from few meters until some 30 meters. So it doesn't really matter for them the depth. In a shallow depth there is more food for them. All the Harlequin shrimps eating sea stars. Even the sea star is way bigger than them, so they can still hunt it and eat it. So that's why whenever we found some small sea stars, we always brought them the sea stars, and then we saw them eating these pieces or legs of the sea stars even a couple of days later. Harlequin shrimps are distributed across Indo-Pacific area. They are found up to East Africa coast, across the Australia and the New Zealand, and up to Japan and across to Hawaii. They are found from depth of 1 meter to at least 30 meters, and that's what I said. So I just read it from the book. The shrimps is really popular because they are so colorful. They are so popular for some aquariums. So that's why it's not that often when you can see them underwater. This is why it's like, for example, for me it was like the first photo of the Harlequin shrimp I saw many years ago, and that was the first idea. I really want to see this, and the first time I saw it, it was somewhere in the Philippines. I think it was on a house reef. We had them there for a short time, and then they disappear. I don't know what happened. So yeah, tomorrow we are going to Lempoyang Temple, not the classic one which is popular for Instagram, but we are going for that 1049 steps. So who's going? It's me and Ivan. We're going together. I haven't been there since probably more than a year, or maybe less than a year. It was like maybe January. Yeah, maybe it was January. I'm not sure. I don't remember anymore. But anyway, so tomorrow's plan is to go around all 7 temples. So actually, mostly people know only about that one, but actually there are 7 of them. So the highest one is 1,100 meters above the sea level, and then we will come down, and then we will go around another 6 ones. So that will be tomorrow. So keep watching us. Don't forget about us. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook. See you tomorrow. Bye.